It is Scott Rv Bonsai and Tech Exposed. Today I'm taking a look at this replacement earpad set for the Corsair HS60 Pro. Also other models, but this specific one is the 60 Pro. You can see it is slightly different. Comes in a plastic package. Interesting. Build quality on the surface looks nice. They are taller than the originals, or at least my well-used compressed originals. That's the company name for this product. They do have installation instructions on the product listing. There's some plastic on the back. Two different materials. You've got this cloth as well as some type of fake leather on the inside. It does seem to have some type of memory foam or something in them, as mentioned in the product listing. Before we get to that, I need to take off these ones. How this is supposed to work. Okay. There we go. Let's compare, contrast. So in this case, it literally said align it and push. Here's the new look. I assume these are locked in, but I'm not 100% sure. Installation was simple enough. Of course, it all depends on Corsair and how they designed it rather than the earmuff creators. They seem to be the same size, the same fit. They are thicker, which is nice. Headset with the new earpads. Anyways, they fit nicely. No issues with that. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Scott Rv Bonsai and Tech Exposed. Thanks.